Hello, my name is Viktorija Bogdanova. Today we will have an opening of the exhibition Intimate Maps or Intimni zemljevidi. Here most of them are poem drawings. I'm working with the intertwinement of poetry and drawing together as modes of developing and cultivating the sensitivity to the things of beauty while researching a particular place, but also when applying these techniques in architectural design itself. These are selected works from the last 10 years of my architectural and research practice, design practice. We have different formats from this large fragments of reality, memory drawings, geographical maps, to these smaller, fragments of sketchbooks that were simply mapping a beautiful memory or imagining an atmosphere within a particular project, or simply developing a story of a particular character, like the tower, the table, or other types of street libraries. Then we have the map of Assisi, where you have the side plan overlapped with the perspectives and the feelings written in poems, as well as the overlap of collage fragments of the different churches of the city of Assisi. Here we have a memory drawing. This is particularly devoted to one walk in nature around Tivoli, and it is special because it's a collaborative drawing made together with my friend Elena. And it has two layers. The first one is the visual impressions, the colors on the aquarelle watercolor paper. And then you have an overlap of the transparent paper where we simply map the feelings and the emotions, checking the degrees of shared reality that we experience on our trip. Then we have the chronological section of the practice, which is more of a self-reflection into my own PhD research, done somewhere in the middle of it. So the format is divided in 11 lines, and then we have the sections of 11 different projects joined in an imaginary section. And this is also, this big one is a map of Trieste, also done with my friend Elena. So we have the side plan in scale, and the streets that we walked and experienced together are marked in color, while we have an overlapping again of perspectives, sections, feelings, and this was done, I don't know, we needed some few weeks to finish it completely. And it was a form of silent dialogue because we intervened on each other's drawings. So she was drawing somewhere here, and I was drawing somewhere here, and then we switched places and talked to each other by drawing. So there are also other formats from other projects and different periods. And you're all wholeheartedly invited to visit the exhibition and to explore the maps themselves. Thank you so much.